Hey friends, I'm Angela with Midlife Cruising. We live full-time on the Villa Vie Odyssey Residential cruise ship, and we share all things cruise life and all things cruise ports on our other channel. This channel, Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals and Sales, is connecting residents aboard with potential renters, people who want to come aboard and check it out. So in today's video, we have another rental to share. Remember, hit subscribe so you're the first ones to know when a new video comes out, so you can be the first to jump on board. Alrighty, let's check out our next room for rent. 6002. This is all the way forward on deck 6. This one will be with a property manager, and that information will be in the description as always. Okay, let's check out this interior room for rent. We are on deck 6 forward. It's an interior room, and it is available for 2 full months starting December 16th through February 16th. It will also be available in the future, so you're going to keep wanting to come back and check the dates. So the owner will be taking a lot of their belongings out, but they left these up so you could see how they're extra storage. It's a nice interior room. We're at the very front of the ship, and I will show you all the things. This one is also available via a property manager. So as always, you're going to want to go to the description. Just click the word more at the end of the title. It'll expand our description, and you can see the property manager's information there, and go to that site and see all the available dates, pricing, etc. There will be an empty closet here, completely empty for you, and they plan to remove even more of their things to give you plenty of space. Refrigerator down there, nice desk area. The bed is up on risers, and there's plenty of space for 2 suitcases below. And the standard restroom as always. All the things you need. Now you know the TV's not flashing. It's just when you film a TV it does that. It doesn't flash in person. So we have an interior room on deck 6 forward, available for rent continuously. So always come and check back, check the dates and available times. The first time it's available will be December 16th, 2025 for 2 months, ending February 16th. So make sure you click on that link in the description and come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. And remember, as always, everything is included. Wi-Fi, laundry, 2 beer wine with lunch, 2 beer wine with dinner, gratuities, port fees, taxes, all the things. And this bed is 1 solid mattress, amazing, comfortable, can't beat it type mattress. So this does not have the 2 where you can separate. This is just, oh, it is an amazing mattress. So if you like a high-end mattress, this room is for you.